So friend, Apple just released the iPhone 17 series globally. The new series of smartphones have 4 devices: the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you are considering skipping the iPhone 17 Pro models, early rumors indicate that Apple's upcoming 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max could be worth the wait. The next generation flagships are expected to deliver significant upgrades with improvements in both performance and camera technology that could be a set new benchmark for premium smartphones. And while Apple gave the iPhone 17 Pro Max a notable camera upgrade, the iPhone 18 Pro Max device is also set to receive a major upgrade to its camera next year. Borrowing the idea from Samsung, Apple is now set to introduce the concept of variable aperture to the 48 megapixel main camera sensor. A variable aperture on the iPhone would give photographers and videographers superior manual control over how much light to let in. Under the hood, the performance gains are expected to be substantial too. The Pro Max model in iPhone 18 is anticipated to be powered by the A20 Pro chip, which is rumored to be manufactured on a cutting-edge 2nm process. This next generation chip is expected to deliver a significant boost in speed and power efficiency, thus allowing for more advanced on-device AI features and a smoother user experience. The A20 Pro chip is also expected to bring in a more efficient C2 modem, which is rumored to improve network connectivity and battery stamina. The Face ID has been around since 2017 and nestled in the iPhone's forehead in the form of a display notch and later a dynamic island, the latter being a pill-shaped cutout. With the iPhone 18 Pro Max, Apple is now expected to reduce the dynamic island size by putting a Face ID sensor underneath the display layer, with just the camera exposed on the display as a cutout. The iPhone's forehead might liberate more space for the UI elements and provide a less intrusive viewing experience, just like most Android smartphones. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.